Most people are damaging their phones every single day, and the thing is, they don't even realize it. If you're using a smartphone, chances are you're making at least 3 of these mistakes right now. First, installing apps from unknown sources. Never install apps from random websites. Those APK files might look harmless, but they can contain malware, spyware, even banking viruses. They can steal your OTPs, passwords, and personal data. Always download apps only from trusted sources like the Google Play Store. Second, giving unnecessary permissions. Stop blindly allowing permissions. Some apps ask for access they don't even need, like a simple app asking for your contacts or microphone. That's a red flag. Only allow permissions that actually make sense. Otherwise, you're literally giving away your privacy. Third, ignoring software updates. Don't ignore updates. Updates are not just about new features. They fix serious security issues. When you skip updates, your phone becomes vulnerable to attacks. So next time you see an update, don't delay it. Fourth, clicking unknown links. Never click random links, whether it's from SMS, WhatsApp, or email. One wrong click can install malware or steal your data. Scammers are getting smarter every day, so if something looks suspicious, just don't click it. Fifth, using public Wi-Fi carelessly. Be careful with public Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi is not always safe. Hackers can intercept your data on unsecured networks. Avoid logging into your bank accounts or important apps when you're on public Wi-Fi. Sixth, rooting your phone. Don't root your phone unless you really know what you're doing. Rooting is unlocking your phone system to gain full control, but it removes security protections and can be risky. That means apps and malware can get deeper access to your system. For most users, it's simply not worth the risk. Seventh, keeping too many unused apps. Don't fill your phone with junk apps. Apps you don't use still run in the background, draining your battery and slowing your phone down. Keep your phone clean. Uninstall what you don't need. Eighth, not using a screen lock. Never keep your phone unlocked. If your phone gets lost or stolen, anyone can access your photos, apps, and personal data. Always use a PIN, password, or fingerprint lock. Ninth, using cheap or fake chargers. Avoid cheap chargers. Low-quality chargers can damage your battery and even cause overheating. Always use original or certified chargers for safety. And finally, keeping storage completely full. Don't let your storage fill up completely. When your phone runs out of space, it slows down, apps crash, and performance drops. Always keep some free space around 15 to 20%. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who needs to see this. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.